Hello, it's Alessio. Today is Tuesday, 2nd of November, and today we're going to analyze two stocks within the ARK ETF, okay, if you would. So today we're going to work with Interactive Brokers, ticker symbol, of course, IBKR, as you can tell by looking at your screen. So we've had a pretty significant move to the downside for the past 6 months, I'd say. So from March until the end of September. So that appears to be, at least to my eyes, corrective. It's a very boring and annoying correction. I think you would all agree with me. But after that, we've had a nice 5-wave structure to the upside, and now we've seen a first initial move to the downside. So this is a daily chart. Let me take you to the 1 hour. So if we look at the 1 hour chart, it looks like this is just wave A. We're going up for wave B, and then we will of course like to see one last move down into wave C. This also looks like a head and shoulder for those who like TA, old school TA. So the thing is, it would have to go down either with today's session or the most tomorrow, and it shouldn't go much higher than this. So we'll see about that, but in the event that it does go lower, I think it looks like a quite promising trade setup for the upside. So moving on, the next chart is Roku, ticker symbol Roku, and here situation is a bit different. After a sideways move from February until the end of September, first days of October, this looks bullish corrective. If we zoom out for a moment, this wave 4, and excuse all my noises, this wave 4 should be paired out with this wave 2. So it looks nice in terms of proportion, both time and magnitude. Now we just need to understand where it's gonna end, and if it's actually ended. So we could have low in place here on October 4th, and here 5 ways up and 3 ways down into wave 2 with minute degree. So to check that, I'm gonna take you once again to the 1 hour chart, and here we are. So let's see. Basically, the only way I can count this is 5, because I think many of you would say up in 1, 2, 3, so 3-wave move, ABC. The only way I can count this in pulses is 1, 2, very sharp 2, up for 3, sideways for 4, and out for 5. So flat 4 in a very sharp wave 2, which actually meets the criteria of the rule of alternation. So it's not that bad, as a matter of fact, as a count. And then down for A, up for B, down for C. Of course, we just need to fix the degree, and then we're good to go. So that's what could be happening. We could have a low in place here. If we bring on our side, yeah, we were in a pretty oversold area, but nevertheless, it looks like we could continue to the upside from here. So that's it for me today. Let me know in the comments if you have any remarks, anything to add. I'm always happy, and I'll see you in the next.